Do you want to make money selling digital products on Amazon KDP in 2025? Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, or KDP, is one of the easiest ways to generate passive income by selling digital books, workbooks, journals, and planners. You don't need to be a professional writer or have any publishing experience. AI tools and automation make the process easier than ever. In this guide, I'll show you step-by-step how to start making money on Amazon KDP, even as a beginner. The first step is choosing a profitable niche. Not all books sell well, so you need to research what people are already buying. Categories like self-help, personal finance, low-content books, children's books, and guided journals perform well. Use Amazon's bestsellers list and keyword research tools like Publisher Rocket to find trending book ideas. The goal is to find high-demand, low-competition niches where your book has a better chance of ranking and generating consistent sales. Once you've chosen a niche, it's time to create your book. If you're writing a traditional book, AI tools like ChatGPT can help generate content, outline chapters, and refine your writing. For low-content books like journals, planners, and coloring books, platforms like Canva and BookBolt make it easy to design pages without any writing. These books require minimal effort but can generate sales for years. A well-designed cover is essential for selling books on Amazon. You can create a professional-looking book cover using Canva, Adobe Express, or AI tools like Midjourney. Look at best-selling books in your category and design something visually appealing that aligns with your niche. A strong cover increases click-through rates, leading to more sales. Once your book is ready, upload it to Amazon KDP. The process is simple. Sign up for a free account, enter your book details, upload your manuscript and cover, and set your pricing. Amazon prints and ships physical copies on demand, so you don't have to handle inventory. Kindle eBooks are instantly downloadable, creating a passive income stream. Pricing your book correctly is key. Research similar books in your niche and price competitively. Kindle ebooks typically range from $2.99 to $9.99, while paperbacks can be priced higher. Amazon pays up to 70% royalties on ebooks and around 60% on paperbacks after printing costs. The right pricing strategy balances affordability and profitability to attract buyers while maximizing earnings. Marketing is essential to getting your book noticed. While Amazon's algorithm helps with organic sales, you can boost visibility by using Amazon advertising, running promotions, and sharing your book on social media. A simple blog, YouTube channel, or TikTok account in your niche can drive traffic to your book listings. Optimizing your title, subtitle, and keywords improves search rankings, making it easier for potential readers to find your book. One of the best ways to scale your KDP business is by publishing multiple books. The more books you release, the more income streams you create. Many self-publishers build six-figure businesses by consistently publishing books in profitable niches. Once you understand the process, you can expand into different categories, test new ideas, and optimize your catalog for maximum earnings. Selling digital products on Amazon, KDP is one of the best ways to create passive income in 2025. With AI tools, low-content book opportunities, and Amazon's global reach, anyone can start and succeed. The key is to take action. Start researching, create your first book, and upload it today. The sooner you start, the faster you can build a sustainable income stream with Amazon KDP.